First impressions aren't just important, they're everything. And if your onboarding of new customers is clunky, unclear or inconsistent, you're going to be losing trust before you even deliver your product or service. Because the moment someone says yes to working with you is when their expectations are at the highest. But all too often, business owners wing their onboarding process. There's no clear communication, there's no consistent steps, and there's no structured handover. And that leads to confused customers, overwhelmed teams, and unnecessary churn. Now, on the other hand, a great customer onboarding process builds trust. It sets expectations and it turns a new customer into a loyal one. And if you want to boost your customer retention, your referrals and your results, it starts right at the beginning of your customer's journey. So, here are 3 steps to map out your ideal customer onboarding process. And the first step is to define every touch point from sale to delivery and beyond. Now think about what your customer sees, receives and feels in, let's say, the first 7 to 30 days. Because clarity here creates confidence. And the second step is to automate wherever possible. Use automated welcome emails, intake forms and calendar links to remove the manual back and forth and deliver a more polished professional experience. And then the third step is to set clear expectations early and turn those expectations into agreements by telling your customers what happens next, what's expected of them and how to get support if needed. Now, great onboarding doesn't have to be complicated, but it does have to be consistent because that's how you deliver confidence at scale. Okay, your momentum move for today. Write out the steps your customer currently goes through once they choose you. Then put yourself in the customer's shoes and ask, would I be impressed if I were a customer? And if you've built an onboarding process that really works well for you, share your best tip in the comments below because someone else could learn from what you've already figured out. Thank you for watching. Follow me for more clarity, confidence and momentum every day, and like if you're committed to growth.